On our way to discover Northern Thailand, we stopped at the historic city of Ayutthaya. This UNESCO heritage property is the former Siamese capital and is also an extensive archaeological site after it was destroyed by the Burmese army in 1767. And while most of the structures are in ruins, some remain preserved and accessible to visitors that are keen on learning about the past. Before visiting Ayutthaya, we visited some of the more modern temples of Thailand. As detailed as they are, it's apparent that a majority of them borrowed architectural elements from this historic city. Renting a motorbike is the best way to sightsee all the ruins. It's quick, and traffic is much more tolerable here than in Bangkok. Elephant rides are unfortunately present here. Please do the right thing and don't support this type of business. Wat Chai Wat Danaram is one of the most popular temples in the region. It's located on the southwestern corner, outside the Ayutthaya Island, and is a prime tourism destination as well as a past filming location. It's important to note that this city is considered sacred ground. A lot of Thais regularly come to pray near the structures, and it's vital to respect and uphold the traditions and customs here. We didn't find much else to do in the city, so we briefly hit the night market and then the train station, which I can honestly say was the cleanest, swankiest station we've been to so far.
Check out these bathrooms!
We then took a sleeper train north to Chiang Mai. The road to Pai is an interesting one. Tackling 762 curves, all while crammed into a minivan, is no small feat. We arrived in the tiny backpacker town of Pai 4 hours later and began to explore the city. Pai is very small compared to Chiang Mai and caters to the backpacking crowd with amazing cheap deals.
Oh baby, yeah.
As well as many healing yoga retreats and relaxation in mineral hot springs. We first hiked Pai Canyon, just outside the main city, and then made our way over to the strawberry farm that serves all things strawberry, including wine.
Buy me that.
We hopped on the Mae Hong Son Loop Road and headed further northwest towards Nam Lod Cave. The road is very, very fun to ride on as it takes you through rolling hills and dense forestry. To access the cave, you would need to hire a guide for 500 baht who will use a lantern and show you 3 individual caves inside, as well as guide a bamboo raft that traverses the river through the main cave. It's quite an experience floating through a pitch-black cave, watching some monster-sized fish casually swimming alongside this rickety plank in search of food. When we arrived back at Pai, we were sore and achy from the motorbike ride back, so we opted for a traditional Thai reflexology massage. All was going well up until they decided to put us into a complex pretzel, and we got way more than we signed up for.
I saw my light flash before my eyes.
Thank you, Pai, for always being you. So that was our trip to Northern Thailand. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help support my channel. In the next video, we round up our travels in Thailand with a final video near the Trot province. See you next time.